Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and go to video. Let's choose this resolution and go to elements and scroll down to frames. Click see all and type the letters that you want to use. Let's start with letter T. Select all and resize them in the same time. And the last letter, make it in the same size of the first letters. Select all and place in the middle and adjust the size like this. Stretch them and go back to elements and type Tokyo and go to videos. We are going to use this one. You can upload your own video if you want. Let's use this one. Drag it to the first letter and drop it inside the frame. Double click and adjust the size like this. Make it fit exactly the frame. Make it the same for the rest of the letters. And after placing the video inside all the letters, let's decrease the duration of the video. Let's make it just 5 seconds. Go to elements again and type paper. Go to photos. Let's use the second one, or you can choose what you want and make it as a background. Set image as a background and select all the letters and click group. Go to animate, animate with baseline, decrease the speed and change the direction from the left to the right, and download this video. And now go back to elements and drag this paper image inside all the letters and click on the video as well and make it as a background. Click replace background and decrease the duration to 5 seconds as well. And download this video. And after downloading the second video, just delete this page and drag it to the timeline again. Increase the size to fit the page and upload the first one and place it above and crop it exactly from the middle. Go to elements and type shadow, graphics, choose this one, rotate it 90 degrees and place it exactly in the middle. And if you want to increase the intensity, just duplicate. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.